Sunstone Metal Products presents the new Sunstone Hybrid Charcoal and Wood Burning Grill in liquid propane. So when you first get your box, this is what you're going to see. Open your box, remove the green strapping, and then we'll lift the lid up to reveal the grill inside. Now we've got the protective foam off. It's wrapped in cellophane, and you can cut that and remove it. Alright, we got all the protection off of it. Now you can see the grill in the box. And we'll open it up and show the inside. As you can see, it comes with the spring assist hood, double walled hood, and a sear burner for rotisserie, 304 solid stainless steel bar grates, all the fittings you'll need, lights, you can see it on all sides. It can be used as a charcoal grill, so there are baffles. And the wind guards adjust on the rear. All the baffling on the back to release all the heat. And your new rear located starter module to protect it for long life. Now we've got everything opened up. You see some of the parts that it comes with. We have the light kit. You remove that. All of our grills come for LP, so you have a regulator hose. Remove that, and then you have the crank to raise and lower your charcoal shelf. It'll insert in like this and crank it in clockwise so it locks in place. And we have a back warming rack for the back wall, multi-positional, so just slide into the slots. Alright, we've got our grill lights hooked up, and we'll show you what to do. Just push the button on the front. Lights in the back light up the grill. On the inside, all the nighttime fun you ever wanted. And then we have lights that light up the face as well. These are the same lights that match our Versa burner companion. All right, we're gonna open up the charcoal grill drawer. And here you have your racks to load your charcoal or wood. Underneath is your ashtray. And it is louvered on the front. There you go. Allow your oxygen control. And then you can raise it up and down. We'll show you how to do that as well. Alright, so we're cranking up the ash drawer of the charcoal tray. Remove this out of your way so you can see it. Alright, so that's all the way up. Gets it within about 2 inches of the top rack for searing, and then goes all the way down about 8 or so inches so you can smoke or offset heat. Now the charcoal tray is in the up position. It's off of the rack that holds it in place, and so it exposes the charcoal tray for all your charcoal ash. And then your burners. On the inside of the grill you have 2 propane burners, one on each side, that can use to either assist to light your charcoal, or if you're looking just to go real quick, you can actually use those burners. So on the gas, it is 48,500 BTUs between the 2 bottom burners and the infrared for rotisserie. If you have any questions or you want to order yours today, go to sunstonemetalproducts.com.